Value network is about the redefinition, the redesigning of the boundaries and the perimeter of each of the actors. Think about a marketplace of machine timing. Think about connecting the production system of two independent companies into a single, self-adapting production engine. Think about shared resources, whether this is skills, spare parts, logistics, that could start to be shared by companies that don't even know themselves. This is all of what we call value networks, and this is what we are empowering with the 3D Experience platform as a business model. Because of our ability to model enterprise at multi-scale, from the product they do, to the way they manufacture it, to the way they operate their business, we can plan and play advanced what-if scenarios of how they want to conduct their business. These are the enablers to what we call value network.
Well, today there's a demand for more consumer choice and more customer configuration. And this creates complexity for manufacturers and complexity for workers from the shop floor to the rest of the organization. It requires higher levels of skills for problem solving, analytical thinking, and decision making. So we need to better train and improve the workforce and then equip them to meet these challenges. To do that effectively, knowledge and know-how must be digitally shared with everyone to help them collaborate, to learn, and then share their own experiences, all with analytics and methodologies to keep everyone on track. Now we have the 3D Experience platform, and what that actually does is offer all these capabilities. It reveals the talents of workers today to train the workforce of tomorrow.
If you want to be a leader as an industrial company, you need at least two things. One is you need to have a very efficient, sustainable innovation process by which you can bring product experiences, new processes on the market extremely quickly. And the second is you need to reach high level of operational excellence, because operational excellence will deliver the value to your final customer. To reach that operational excellence, you need to be extremely fast. Fast comes with lead time. The time it takes from your brain, from your ideas down to the shop floor, down to the customer. To do that today, there is only one way. Let's use the virtual world. Because in the virtual world, in the 3D Experience Twin, you can anticipate the problem. You can evaluate the solution that you are thinking about, whether they are product, whether they are manufacturing processes, to make sure that when you hit the shop floor, everything's going to happen right. You need to be efficient. To be efficient, you need to be able to orchestrate all the processes that you have to follow in order to produce whatever you need to produce. This orchestration eliminates all waiting time. Last, nothing goes as planned on the shop floor. So you need robustness. That is, you need to find a way to mitigate whatever problems you face on the shop floor. How to do so? Always the same thing, the 3D Experience Twin. Why? Because in the 3D Experience Twin, I can anticipate virtually all my problems. I can optimize my operation. I can be supported in my decision making to always make the good decision to mitigate as well as possible all the problems that I will face. So at the end of the day, sustainable innovation, operational excellence needs lead times and speed, efficiency and robustness.